At narito kami ngayon sa Bulacan Sports Complex. Ang title nga pala ng meet ay Second Holiday Swim Cup, hosted by Solid Coaches Association of the Philippines and supported by Swim League Philippines. And medyo maaga ang aming dating. Mabilis ang biyahe sa NLEX. 1 oras lang. Kaya umalis kami sa amin sa Rizal, sa Cainta ng 4:30. Dumating kami 5:30, madilim-dilim pa. At tagal din tayong hindi nakakapag-training. Siguro huling training ko rito is 15 years ago. Huling punta ko rito sa Bulacan Sports Complex dito sa Malolos is 15 years ago. Ayan, buti meron silang warm down pool. Okay naman yung parking, maluwag. Medyo marami lang nakapark na kasi pagdating namin marami ng mga joggers. Saka nagdadatingan yung ibang players. Siguro may district meet sila rito, yung mga municipal meet. Kasi alam nyo naman, mga panahon ngayon, panahon ng mga municipal meet, para susunod provincial meet, then regional. Panahon ng DepEd meet. Ito ako sa gilid ng ayun, mga nakasabay namin doon, mga bata kanina. Bukas pala to, pero pwedeng dumaan. Ayan. Eto, maganda tong kanilang warm up na rin tong ayun, yung Bulacan Sports Complex. Parang kala mo regional meet na rito. So there are 250 swimmers participating sa meet na ito. At sa umaga, this morning, I think it's novice, Class D. At mamayang hapon yung Class ABC sa tanghali. Sa timeline, mga konti ang novice baka 10 o'clock to 10:30 matapos. Then kung maagang mag-start ang ABC, baka 3 o'clock tapos to. Ayan. So mamaya i-video natin yung ano pang maaaring kaganapan dito sa Bulacan Sports Complex sa Second Holiday Cup ng Solid Coach Association. Medyo okay na rin. Ganda yung bleacher. Medyo may pwesto yung mga audience. Kasya. Saka sa labas may kainan. Malapit lang. Malapit lang ang mga basic needs, CR, tapos yung may tindahan sa labas, mura. And yung ating magtitinda yata is Yingpa and Splash and Dash. Ito na rin yung marshalling area, and this is the ready bench. Ayan. Okay, malawak. Pwede rin yata matulog dito At dito yung ating mga medical team. Dito peso nila at dito kami. Ayan si Leyan, yung ating encoder. Sana hindi mainit. Nakalimutan ko magdala ng electric fan.
Pilipinas, headed by Coach Camille Evangelista, and Splash and Dash, headed by Coach Eric Hipolito. And meron po tayong photo booth on the side, dun po sa may tangke. If you want to have a photos with you and your swimmers, punta lang po kayo dun sa side. And we would like again, say thank you to all the coaches na kinulit namin para mag-join for the second Holiday Swim Cup. Also, we would like to acknowledge our official video coach Emmer Matienzo. Siya rin po yung ating encoder. Also, thank you very much dun sa RFN Swimming Technical Officials. Sila po yung bahala sa competition natin for this day. And once again, thank you very much. For another remarks from the president of Swim League Philippines, Coach Fred Anjeta.
Thank you.
Parang wala pa yata tayong breakfast. Good morning! Yes! Welcome to the second Holiday Swim Cup. This is the time where we give and share. A season for giving and sharing. This is also a season for forgiving. So, mommies, daddies, ates, kuyas, lolas, lolos, please say hi to the one seated next to you. Please say hi to them.
Hi.
Yes, because today we will build bridges. We will unite each other. We will tear down walls. We will forgive each other. Because today is the Holiday Swim Cup, a day for forgiving, giving, and sharing. Welcome to the Holiday Swim Cup, United We Swim, and good morning to everyone. Technical officials. Our technical officials from the RFN Technical Officiating Team. Introducing Swim League Philippines and SSCAT resident referee, Mr. Marvin Villa. Our meet starter, Carl Ligdao. Welcome to the second Holiday Swim Cup. Let the games begin.